Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a helpful new update on Discord that allows you to manage your friend requests even better. We'll show you how to allow friends of friends to send you a friend request on PC. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to open up Discord. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This icon represents the user settings. Go ahead and click on it to take you to your settings menu. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down the options on the left-hand side until you find Friend Requests. Click on it, and you'll see a few options related to how you receive friend requests. Finally, look for the option that says Friends of Friends. By enabling this feature, you'll allow those who are friends with your existing contacts to send you friend requests as well. Just toggle the switch to turn this feature on. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to accept friend requests from friends of your friends on Discord. This new update makes it easier to connect with new people in your community while still maintaining control over your friend list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and updates on Discord and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.